Welcome to your midweek update with Tredomatix Daily Financial News. We've got the latest headlines and expert insights to keep you on top of market movements. Be sure to subscribe and explore more at Tredomatix.com for in-depth market breakdowns. And in U.S. market news, Wall Street closed lower on Tuesday, with technology sector losses offsetting gains in communication services. This all comes ahead of key inflation reports expected to shape the Federal Reserve's next moves. The S&P 500 slipped 0.3%, while the Dow fell 0.35%, and the Nasdaq dropped 0.25%. Investors are cautiously waiting for the Consumer Price Index report later this week, which could confirm expectations for a 25 basis point rate cut at the Fed's upcoming meeting. And in Forex news, the dollar stayed close to a two-week high against the yen, driven by expectations of a U.S. rate cut next week. Traders are pricing in an 85% chance of a quarter-point reduction. Meanwhile, the Canadian dollar hit a 4.5-year low ahead of an anticipated 50 basis point cut by the Bank of Canada. In Europe, the ECB is expected to announce a rate cut on Thursday, potentially easing pressure on the euro. Over in Asia, stock markets saw mixed movements as investors awaited the U.S. inflation report. Japan's Nikkei fell 0.4%, while Hong Kong and China markets remained steady after Beijing signaled a shift toward looser monetary policy. Analysts expect these measures to boost domestic consumption in 2025, though traders remain cautious for now. Back to the U.S., communication services saw the biggest sector gains, up 2.6%, with Alphabet leading the charge after unveiling a new chip. However, tech stocks faced challenges, with Oracle plunging 6.7% following weaker-than-expected earnings. On the mid-cap front, Alaska Airlines soared 13% after raising its profit forecast, while Toll Brothers dropped 6.9% despite strong quarterly results. Finally, in commodities, gold prices hit a two-week high, supported by expectations of a Fed rate cut and ongoing geopolitical tensions. Spot gold is currently trading at $2,698. Meanwhile, oil prices held steady, with Brent crude at $72.55 per barrel. Traders are watching for stronger policy signals from China to drive future demand growth. And that's a wrap for today's episode. If you enjoyed the content, hit the like button and share your thoughts below. Subscribe to stay connected with daily updates, and we'll be back tomorrow with more insights. Stay sharp.